Welcome back. In this video, we shall use the bracket notation that we learned in the previous video to find the position of an item in an array. For example, let's say we have a variable called our array, and we set this to these items here. Let's say and we want to print out the element occupying the second index. We will say our array and use the bracket notation, and we pass in the value of 1. Using 1, let's console.log new array. Let's see what we have. And we have 55 returned to us. Before we jump into the next video, let's talk about formatting arrays using bracket notations. If you can remember, we said strings are immutable, which means we cannot change single values in a string. But with arrays, we can change the value of an index in our list, like so. Let's say we have this here, and we want to change the value of the third index, which is Abuja, to Calabar. We will say our array, say 2 is equal to Calabar. Now when we console.log our array now we can see that the second index, which had a value of Abuja, now has a value of Calabar. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.